Hello and welcome to the course of HDL Digital Circuit Design. In previous session we have seen how to implement sequence detector 1011. In this session we'll be seeing how to implement this particular sequence detector on hardware. So XDC file which we have created, you are able to see clock we have given. So this is the clock. Then IP, that is input, OP, that is output, and RST is the reset, and temp is the temporary variable. So for that particular details you can see the previous video. So bit file is created and it is dumped to this target device. Now target device, you are able to see this done bit on, meaning of that the code is dumped into the target device. Now as per the XDC file, you are able to see this particular pin is the clock. We have taken the clock pin as a manual clock. This is what is the IP, that is input. Here we will be able to see the output, and here we have taken reset and here temp. So we will not be considering temp over here. Reset, whenever it is 1 it will be performing resetting operation, and when it is 0 it will be performing normal sequence detector operation. So what we will be doing, we have given clock. So here this is the clock and this is the input. As we want to detect 1011 sequence, so as I told you in the previous sessions that we need to provide this input string of 01 properly, and then we need to apply a clock, and that's why manual clock is applied instead of the system clock, because system clock is too fast, and to that we will not be able to synchronize our input. So what we need to do, we need to give input. So I am giving 1. Now give the clock. This is clock is given, and again clock is made to 0. Again I am giving 0 because sequence should be detected 1011, that's why we need to give 1011. So now we have given 0. Again give the clock, manual clock, again make it 0. So 0 is applied. Now 1. Again I will be giving clock, again making it 0. Again it is 1 only because 1011. So this is the 4th bit, that is 1 we have given, and you are able to see this particular thing. Now it's not working. So again what I will be doing, I will be making this particular circuit reset. So this is resetted. Again I have made it normal. Now again I will be doing the same thing. So 1 is given. So this is clock. Now 0 is given. This is clock is applied. Again 1 is given. Then again clock is applied. Again 1 is there. So again clock. So you are able to see 1 here because 1011 sequence is detected. Now again check it. Now if I am giving this, it will not be giving because 10111 that is coming. So now first one is detected. Okay. Now I'll be making this as a 0. So it is 0. Again I have given again 1. So 1 is given, again 1. So now you are able to see again 1011 sequence is detected. So just try to make it resetted first before doing the things, and this way you will be implementing sequence detector on your hardware. So hope this video is clear. So that way you need to implement. Thank you everyone.